And we'll make a part 2 of Diet Pepsi. Let us talk.
Hi guys, we are doing Diet Pepsi and Mentos.
We tried it already.
Hi.
This is what ended up happening.
Yeah. Hi guys, we're doing Diet Coke and Mentos. I have 4 Mentos and Diet Coke. We did it earlier, and
And we went down.
me, Owen, and Leland, we did it earlier. It didn't work out too well, but this time, why don't you record? This time I'm gonna take some Coke, some more Pepsi out, and we're gonna try it. So let's go.
Oh, he's drinking a bit of it just to get some of it out. Don't drink anymore, bud. Shake it. And we're putting 4 Mentos in to make it extra explosive.
4 Mentos.
Let me see it again. He did.
4 Mentos. And
We don't need the lid.
let's go. Let's do this.
Holy frig. D D D do 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 do.
I'm only gonna do 2 because 4 will be too much and it's gonna explode.
Come on,
Sorry.
4.
No,
4,
it'll
4.
go to the top really fast.
4. What? Okay, come on, do 4, man.
Yeah, that one didn't work out too well.
Da da da. Go take an instant replay of that.
Here, bring the camera over. Bring it.
Reload it.
No, there's no more pop. Like you won't be able to do it again.
Let's try.
You can only do it once. Okay.
We're
gonna retry this?
And if we don't have enough pop, we'll just drink the rest of it.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna retry this. Brand new No, it won't work. You have to do it first.
Try it, bud.
No.
He did. I've never tried this.
Try Mentos.
Oh, boy. I've never really tried a Mento. Well, mint flavored anyways. So let's try it.
Don't put part 1, and then next time I come, I'll do part 2.
Yeah.
And then once I
Hello, we're back. This is really minty.
hit me up again.
Hey, take the rest of it.
Why?
You deserved it.
Next, are you recording?
Yeah.
Next time, when I come over, I'm gonna do a part 2.